In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Amazon Music to Alexa. If you're using an Echo device or another Alexa-enabled speaker, there's a good chance Amazon Music is already connected automatically, especially if you signed in with the same Amazon account on your device. But if it's not linked yet, don't worry. You can connect it manually in just a few moments using the Alexa app on your iPhone. To get started, open the Amazon Alexa app. Once you're in the app, tap More in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, tap Settings. Next, scroll down until you see Music and Podcasts, then tap on it. At this point, check to see whether Amazon Music is already listed. If it isn't, tap Link New Service. You'll then see a list of available music services. Select Amazon Music and follow the on-screen prompts to sign in and authorize the connection. This part is important because it gives Alexa permission to access your Amazon Music library and playback options. Once Amazon Music is connected, the next step is to make it your default music service. This helps Alexa know which app to use whenever you ask for music, without you needing to say on Amazon Music every time. To do that, stay in the Alexa app and go back to More, then Settings, then Music and Podcasts. Tap Default Services. Under the Music section, select Amazon Music. If you want an even smoother experience, you can also set Amazon Music as the default for artist and genre stations and for podcasts if that option appears in your app. After that, you're ready to start playing music with Alexa. You can use simple voice commands like Alexa, play music, Alexa, play my playlist, Alexa, play Taylor Swift, or Alexa, play relaxing music. Choosing clear commands makes it easier for Alexa to find exactly what you want. You can also play music directly from the Amazon Music app and send it to your Alexa speaker. Open the Amazon Music app, start playing a song, then tap the Cast or Connect to Device icon. From the list of available devices, select your Alexa-enabled speaker. For this to work properly, both your phone and your speaker should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and both apps should be using the same Amazon account. If Alexa doesn't seem to recognize Amazon Music, the most common fix is to double-check that you're signed into the same Amazon account in both the Alexa app and the Amazon Music app. Once that matches up, everything should work much more smoothly.